today I have Codey Rocky with me. So this is a robot by Makeblock. I'm not sponsoring Makeblock or anything. So I have the two apps installed in my phone. One is Mblock and the other one is Makeblock. So Makeblock is basically used for driving and draw and run, and the Mblock is used for the coding and all. So I have this Codey basic tutorial right here. So let's start. Right now it's loading. Just a second. So it's saying to click this play button. So whenever I click this play button, the whatever the code is, Codey will do it. So see, the code was when the Codey starts up, it's actually be like move forward. So now let me put it back. So this time I have to combine both the blocks when Codey starts up and plays on meow. Like I combine it like this. So you just drag the block to right here. So now as you can see, it's combined. Now when Codey starts up, plays on meow, and I just click on this button. It said meow. So let's do next. Change the option to make the robot laugh. So when Codey starts up, the play sound hello until done. So hello, change it to laugh and play. That was the laughing sound. It doesn't actually sound it like it's laughing, but it's actually laughing. Congrats, block unlocked. Let's click on this. Play sound hello over here. Now let's click on this play button. See, it says hello, and that's actually sounding really cool. Next, events. It's saying to go to events, and when Codey starts up, play sound yummy. So play. That was the yummy sound. It's like that will be yummy. Next, delete the unnecessary blocks. So I'll delete this unnecessary block like this. Put it to the trash bin. The trash bin is right here. Now I'll change this number to 1 beat, and when Codey starts up, play the sound C3 of the piano. Let's see if it works. See, that was the C3. That's cool. Okay, now the starting one is finished, and all the other ones I already taught you, so you can do that. Now I'll disconnect it from here. So like from the two apps, if one is connected already, the second one you cannot connect, because you cannot connect into the both of apps, right? Now let me just disconnect it from here. Disconnect. Okay. And back. Now let me open the driving app, which is called Makeblock. Now let me just connect it to the Codey Rocky. Here's how you connect. You see this Bluetooth button on the top right of your screen. You click on it and it automatically connects if your Bluetooth is on. Now there's 3 options: drive, draw and run, and if you click on this code, it will automatically redirect you to the Mblock in which you can code. So let me click on drive. So here's as you can see, there's some sunglasses that I made earlier when I was playing around with it. So let me just make like these type of eyes. Bam. See, is it drawing on the... Look, it's drawing. That's actually really cool. I like this thing very much. Yeah. Look, those are really cute eyes, right? Done. Now, from this thing, you can move up, left, right, and back. And there's 6 emojis, so let me show you some of them. This is the spinning one, or the dizzy one. And this is the laughing one. Now this is the sprinting one. Oh guys, sorry for that. It just crashed into the camera. That was funny to watch. Now this is the sad one. I'm going to show you. Now this is the shocked one, or the surprise one, and there's 1 or 2 more that you can discover. Now let me drive it and show you. So if you're using this Codey Rocky, make sure you have a lot of space, because this thing is just really cool. I cannot tell you how cool it is. Now let's back it up, and I'll create a thing named Hi. Hi. See, that looks really cool. Now you can drive it. So this thing has 5 sensors. It can sense objects and it can also avoid objects, so that's really cool. And it can also get colors. So the things you get with this is the name sticker, and you get also USB color, a USB cable, and you get color cards and etc, some more things, and obviously the main Codey Rocky. So I think that's it for today. So I'll be creating many more coding tutorials for Codey Rocky, so be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Bye for now.